Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to do another page of our summer task, and today our topic is simple present and simple past. Now the question number 1 is that change the following into negative using do and does on notebook. Okay students, keep in mind that you have to do these questions on your notebook. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to change these sentences into negative by using do and does. Okay students, one more thing I want to clear. We always use do with I, you, we and they, first person singular, and we use does with he, she and it. Now keep it in mind, we use do with I, you, we and they, and we use does with he, she and it. Okay, the first sentence is we like to eat fruits. Here we have we, so we are going to use do. Now the sentence will be like that: we do not like to eat fruits. Okay. Now the second sentence is I walk to work every day. Now here we have I, so we know what we have to use. We have to use do. Now your sentence will be I do not walk to work every day. Your third sentence is he lives in London. Okay, here we have he. Now what we know, we will use does. He does not live in London. Hope so students, now you can understand and can do all the other sentences easily. Now come to the second question. Your second question is change the following into negative using date on notebook. Again, you have to do the question on your notebook, and in this question you have to change the sentences into negative using date. Okay. The first sentence is the dog ran after the stranger. Okay, here what we have to do, the dog did not run after the stranger. Now as you can see that here we have ran, but when we use did not, we will use the first form of the verb, which will be run. Okay, now come to the second sentence. The second sentence is the little girl knew her way home. Again, the little girl did not know her way home. Your third sentence is I studied hard for my final examination. Okay, here what we have, I did not study hard for my final examination. Hope so students, now you can understand and can do all the other sentences easily. Now come to the last question. The last question is change the following sentences into the past indefinite tense on notebook. Okay students, what is past indefinite tense? Past indefinite tense is like the form of simple past tense. जैसे सिंपल पास्ट टेंस होता है, वट एवर थिंग विच इज हैपन इन द पास्ट, कोई भी काम जो ऑलरेडी हो चुका है उसको कहते हैं, उसी को कहते हैं पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस। एंड हम इसमें सब्जेक्ट के साथ सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज करते हैं, जस्ट लाइक हम सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में यूज करते हैं, वी यूज सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। ओके, सो हियर योर first sentence is the sky is growing dark. So the sentence will be the sky grew dark. Your second sentence is the pain is growing worse. Your sentence will be the pain grew worse. Here you can see that we have changed the form of growing into second form grew. The third sentence is you make a lot of mistakes. Here we have make. Now we will change into the second form of verb, so our sentence will be like that: you made a lot of mistakes. Hope so students, now you can understand and can do your task easily. Allah Hafiz, fi amanillah. Okay students, now turn the next page and come to the next topic. Our next topic is verb tense stories. Dear students, as you all know that verb, what is a verb? Verb, it is any action word, whatever action we do. Right now, I am holding this pen. It is an action that I am holding the pen. It is called verb. Hold is the verb. Similarly, you walk, eat, laugh. All these are verb. What are? Because they show some action. Now read the question. The question is, the story below is written in the present tense with the action happening now. Circle the verbs. Write each one in the past tense form. Then rewrite the story using the past tense verbs. Okay, now student, what you have to do, you have given a story which is written in present tense, which is telling that the actions are happening right now. You have, first of all, you have to circle the verbs from it. What are the verbs present in it? Okay. After that, you have to write the past tense of form of each verb. Okay, and then you have to rewrite the story using these past tense verbs. Okay, स्टोरी आपको प्रेजेंट टेंस में मेंशन की हुई है, उसको उसमें से आपने फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वर्ब्स फाइंड करने हैं. उन वर्ब्स की आपने नीचे जो ये कॉलम मेंशन है इसमें आपने उनकी पास्ट फॉर्म लिखनी है. आफ्टर दैट आपने स्टोरी को दोबारा से रीराइट करना है. किस फॉर्म में? पास्ट टेंस फॉर्म में. ओके, नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल हियर द फर्स्ट वर्ब इज प्ले, द सेकंड वर्ब इज थ्रो, द थर्ड वर्ब इज सी. ओके, नाउ here in this column given, I write the past tense form of play, which is played. I write the past tense form of throw, which is threw, and I write the past form of race, which is raced. Hope so students, now you can understand and can do all the other words easily. Okay, now the next question is, rewrite the story using the past tense verb. Okay, now the past tense verb you have written in the above mentioned columns. Now using these verbs you will rewrite the story. Now in the above, in present, it is time for research. Now what we will write? It was time for research. I was on the playground with my friends. Okay, first we played hopscotch. Similarly students, now you can write the whole story by yourself. You can understand it, you can do it easily. Okay, now come to the next question. Rewrite this paragraph changing all the underlined verbs from the present tense to the past tense. Okay friends, now again in this paragraph you have given the verbs which are underlined. Verbs आपको underline हुए हैं. आपने वर्ब को प्रेजेंट टेंस से अगेन पास्ट टेंस फॉर्म उनकी रिटर्न करनी है, राइट करनी है, और दोबारा से आपने इस पैराग्राफ को रीराइट करना है. ओके, ऑन द डे ऑफ द पिकनिक आई rise early, chose a shirt with an open neck, bring it downstairs and begin getting ready. Okay students, now the first word is, here is due to some misprints, the word that is underlined is early, but the correct word is rise. Okay, राइज होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे अर्ली हो गया थोड़ी मिसप्रिंटिंग की वजह से, तो आपने राइज की लिखनी है पास्ट फॉर्म व्हिच इज रोज. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज ब्रिंग, सो द पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ ब्रिंग इज ब्रॉट. नाउ अगेन आपने उनको पास्ट फॉर्म में लिखना है. किस तरह से? ऑन द डे ऑफ द पिकनिक आई रोज अर्ली, chose a shirt with an open neck, brought it downstairs and began getting ready. So students, now you can understand and can do the rest of the work easily. ठीक है, आपने अगेन इनको पास्ट फॉर्म में लिखना है, बट फर्स्ट जो वर्ड्स आपको मेंशन है, जो अंडरलाइन वर्ड्स हैं, उनकी आपने पास्ट फॉर्म राइट करनी है उसके बाद. Okay, your last question is, describe daily activities of little boy using simple present tense. Okay, now we have the simple present tense. In simple present tense, which tell us which actions that are happening right now. कोई भी action जो अभी तक हो रहा है, सिमिलरली आपने अब जो बॉय की डेली एक्टिविटीज़ हैं अब मेंशन हुई हैं आपने वो सारी राइट करनी। सो आई एम टेलिंग यू द फर्स्ट टू सेंटेंस, यू हैव टू डू द अदर विथ all by yourself. He rise early. He chose to wear a shirt with open neck. He gets ready. Okay? यानी उस सबसे पहले वो सुबह जल्दी उठा, ठीक है, उसने फिर अपने पहनने के लिए एक शर्ट निकाली, ठीक है, जो कि ओपन नेक थी। He gets ready, वो तैयार हुआ। Now you can do it by yourself easily. Hope so. अल्लाह हाफिज़, फी अमान।